How to redeem code on YouTube Premium. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem your code on YouTube Premium. Now the process is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Now whether the code is for YouTube Premium or it is for just YouTube, what you can do is you can open up your browser on your device, any device you are on, and what you want to do is you want to type in youtube.com/redeem. So make sure the spelling is correct. So once you tap on go, once you search for it, you'll be headed into this redeem your code page of YouTube. So here what you want to do is first you want to make sure that you are logged into your correct account. You want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on that particular account that's showing up there, and you can choose between your account. If your account isn't here, you can tap on add account and sign into the account that you want to redeem the code to, and then simply tap on enter code and enter in a code here, tap on next, and you'll be able to redeem your code. So this way you can redeem your code on YouTube Premium. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.